Alright, so hi, and I'm just gonna go straight to it. And since I don't know, I just wanted to do this. So, since everybody usually asks me, like, how do I draw such such good drawings? So, these are some of the examples. I have many of them, but I've just picked these just for this video for like an example. So these drawings are done. I've done all these drawings in normal papers. This is a normal A4 size paper they call. You can see very thin, and these sheets are this you can get these notebooks that you get, and they come for the price 80 rupees. Just normal sketchbooks, school sketchbooks that kids use. So this is the sketchbook. Now let's talk about these. How have I actually done this? So the reason I'm showing this is because I haven't used any of the drawing tools that you need for drawing. So all this I've done. All these drawings are done, or this entire drawing look is achieved by using some of the products or tools I can say that I have used to achieve this. Like, okay, so this little baby, like these are my little babies that I use for my drawings. Okay, let me start talking about them. This is the bigger brush that I use. Look at the condition of it. None of them is in good condition, since I am not a professional, and these are just like small things which I own. So this is a bigger brush that I use for blending, and this one is the smallest one, so it helps me blending. You can see the condition of this. Okay, so this is what I use for blending. And for the pencils, I use these pencils that you will get in market for like 5 rupees each. And yeah, so this is like HB pencil. This is 8B. Okay, so they are different, like 8B, 4B, 6B. Okay, 10B. For the darkest I use 10, for the lightest I use 2. So just that way. And when I'm too lazy, I just use this mechanical pencil. When I want to get a darker effect, I just press a bit harder. When I want a light effect, I just use my hands really light. So, and right here is a charcoal, and I keep inside this paper because wherever I keep these, I keep all of these in a bag, so my bag gets dirty, so I'm keeping them in paper like this. This is just charcoal. You just get for 15 rupees something. You just get these for 15 rupees, I guess. 2 to be gaya ye to ye charcoal for the darker areas use किया जाता है. इस ये वाले sketch में बिल्कुल भी use नहीं किया है इसको. I haven't used even one bit of this charcoal because that time I didn't know about what is a charcoal, so I didn't buy one. So, and this charcoal was given to me by one of my aunts. She was like, "Hey, I got this for you." I was like, "Thank you." Okay, so this is the first time I tried charcoal. So this is what I did with the charcoal that I got as a gift. It's like for these areas and all this not the entire thing is not done by charcoal. These darker portions are done by charcoal, and the rest, the face and everything, is done by these magical pencils. Okay, so and for these shading parts, which normally we use a Tombow eraser, you need those kind of tools for this, and I do not have any Tombow erasers or anything. So what I use is this Apsara ka eraser. Very nice for the to get these sharp effects. I use this, ये जो eraser का जो ending होता है, I use these, and इसी से I just do my highlighting. All my highlightings are done by using this Apsara's eraser. So all of this detailing and everything is done by using these pencil and erasers. And what I do is, if I need very sharp looks, and then I just cut my eraser like, you know, really tiny, and then it does take some effort, but without the tools, then what do you expect? You have to put in some effort. So if not, I use these pencils, these mechanical pencils, because these mechanical pencils do have these erasers behind, the smaller erasers. So I use these. This is gone, and इसका तो I think so पूरा ही ख़त्म हो चुका है. Yep, I've used it a lot. I've used पूरा. So these are the mechanical pencils. These are the tools that I use, and with these tools only I have done this drawing. So for a beginner, since I am a beginner, I've always loved drawing, but like, you know, doing such kind of realistic, and these are realistic for me because I haven't gone to any art school, so these drawings are quite realistic for me. So for these realistic drawings you do need some kind of tools, but I have done this using no tools because I didn't want to spend my money on something which, you know, I just wanted to try it out using the simple tools, simple things, simple eraser and everything that I've been using since childhood, and I've done that. So this is what we get using these things, or these pencils. And you do need, I will say you do need, they must be really good. I haven't tried, but when I do try a Tombow eraser and I do use proper pencils, I will put on another video. But for now, this is it. And the normal paper, everything is just normal, just what you get in the stores nearby. You can just, so anybody can actually do these pretty little things. Just takes a little bit of work. So bye bye.